that's enough. That's enough of that.
That was brilliant because you asked for FG and you went FGG.
FGG.
It was brilliant.
F. Good game. Baseline. Okay. So I want you to stick to these two notes. In fact, these three notes. We're going to go C, F, G. Play them in whatever order you want. I want you to play them to this drum beat that Mackenzie just laid. Okay. So C, F, and G. Yeah. Enough bass line. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to get you quickly to use the same notes, but we're going to record this noise here. But we're going to do it up here, yeah? So I'd recommend just F and G.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to record that in. We're going to record that to the bass line as well. Ready?
F and G.
That's gone.
Straight up banger.
That's wicked. Okay, that's enough. That's enough of that.
That was brilliant because you asked for FG and you went FGG.
FGG.
It was brilliant.
F. Good game.
Good game.
That was amazing. What's your name, bud?
Riley,
up top. Boom. Smashed that. We're gonna take this section here, this last little bit that you just did. That's a stomper right there. That's what we call in the industry a stomper. So right, give Riley and Mackenzie a round of applause. But what we're going to do is we're going to find a piano. Would you rather this sort of piano or this sort of piano? Which one do you like? Which one do you prefer? The first one? I like it. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do, we're going to play F, G sharp, we're going to go C and D sharp. Yeah? So with your left hand, I want you to play F sharp. Left hand, other hand.
Sweet.
There we go. And then with that finger on there. And then with this hand, I want you to play that one there. And this one right here. Now I've played it all together. Beautiful. We're going to record that in, okay? 2, 3, 4. Oh, beautiful. And again. And again. One more time. And one more time. That is gorgeous. Right. There we go. Lovely stuff. And again. Wonderful. So we've got two lots of piano chords there, or the same chord but one's inverted. But what we're going to do, we're going to move that one across to this side here and listen to it all together.